Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Some activities, like creating a backup file or restoring a company file, require that you open QuickBooks in single-user mode. You must make sure all other users of the application are logged off before you switch user modes. To have multiple users accessing the same QuickBooks data file, you can switch to multi-user mode. However, QuickBooks must be set up to allow multi-user access before you can switch user modes. If you try to switch to multi-user mode before you have configured QuickBooks to allow for multi-user mode, QuickBooks will helpfully prompt you to set up QuickBooks for multi-user access. After you have configured QuickBooks to allow for multi-user access, you can then switch between single-user and multi-user modes. When in multi-user mode, you must enter your username and password to open and access the company file on the shared computer. To switch user modes after you have multiple users enabled, select File, switch to multi-user mode, or File, switch to single-user mode from the menu bar. This is a toggle command and will always switch to the opposite command from the user mode in which you are currently operating.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.